So in this video now we are going to look into the details about very particularly how to print our output statements. So we have a different requirements at different times to print our output statement. So let us see that how to print our output statement on the screen. So as you know, if you want to print, what we can do, we can make use of a print method. So by using a print method, we can print whether argument or also we can print some string. So anything we can do it with the help of the print statement. But if we have a different requirement, then how do we customize our print statement only? We are going to discuss it now. Okay. So now let us see that we use a print function, and also we can separate the arguments by using different characters. So let's look into it. So if we have a requirement that you want to separate the arguments in the print function with any character, we can specify it by using the separation construct. Let's see how to use it in a print statement also. And if you want to have only the white space, want to use only the white space, then we can use empty single quotes that will give them white space. And also uh, we can have some trailing character. No, generally, how the print statement will print. If you want to print continuously 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it will print in the next line, right? So if instead, if you want to get printed, now we can have a print statement to be printed like this in a horizontal direction, either with comma or without comma. We can do it. So by the trailing character, we can use the end constructor to specify how it has to end the particular line. So if we give a white space, then it will continue to print on the same line. So let us consider a simple example here for printing a statement in Python. So print is a function where we have the string, first name and comma, then middle name and also comma, then we have a last name. And I want to separate these string arguments by colon. So I can use what sep is equal to colon within single quotes. Similarly, the next section I wanted to separate the first name, middle name, and last name by a space. So I can just give a white space over there. And next line I wanted to separate the arguments, the string arguments by an asterisk. Then I can use the asterisk over there. So we can use any character here to separate the arguments on the print statement. And now let us see, I wanted to generate a value from 1 to 5. Then I can use a range constructor. Within the range constructor, I can generate a value from 1 to 5. But what will happen, it will just generally print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the next line, one by one. No? And a new line is going to be printed. Now, instead, I want to get it printed on the same line. Then what we can do, we can use this end constructor. So the end constructor will help us to end the line with a space, not to the new line, not to the new line. So now here, if you look into it, we'll be able to see for the first print statement, we can see that first name, middle name, and last name are separated by colon. And for the second print statement, we will be able to see the arguments are separated by a space. Similarly, the third print statement where arguments are separated by asterisk. Now, looking into this, the fourth print statement where we want to print the values in the horizontal on the same line, then we can use the end constructor. So that produces an output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the same line. So we use no print statement in many times, and if you want to customize, we can also customize it in very easier manner. Okay, thank you for